Welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. And so, if you're tuning in for the first time, I want to welcome. And for those who have been with me for the past few months, it's a great pleasure, guys. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. It means so much to me. And for those who are tuning in for the first time, please remember to smash that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, so you'll be in tune to every video that I have. So guys, today I just want to take you along with me in the kitchen where we'll be frying some festivals. Yes, I said some festival, but guess what? We're gonna be using some coconut milk. Have you ever tried it that way? It's delicious, guys. Anyways, guys, with no further delay, just follow me along over to that corner. So guys, as you can see, I'm displaying my ingredients, which is the coconut milk, 3/4 cups of organic brown sugar, self-rising flour, which contain both salt and baking powder, and as well as the cornmeal. So guys, the next thing we're going to do is wash our hands. Now that my hands are washed, my nails, they're clean, I can proceed. So guys, I'm just giving this can a good wash off because, you know, while in the store you don't know what crawled on them. So guys, here in this container I have the flour, which I'm about to add the other ingredients to. So just watch closely guys as I do just that. So guys, at this point I'm just using my hand just to mix in the ingredients together. So guys, at this point I started pouring the coconut milk into the flour
just mixing with my hand, as you can see. Also, in this case, you have to be careful of the amount of fluid that will be poured into this mixture. So as I go along, I'm feeling out the texture or the consistency of the dough, if it's too soft or it's just right. And guys, what I'm doing here, I'm just giving this extra pounding and kneading, because you don't want to have no lumps in your dough. So guys, now we see the outcome of the dough. The texture is perfect. It's not too soft and it's not hard. It's just perfect and ready to go in the pot. So stay tuned guys and watch as Sophie make festival. So guys, here's a pot with oil. It is on the stove and I went ahead, I had turned the flame on, and so I'm waiting for the oil to be hot. And over here is my pan with lined paper towel waiting, so that when I remove the dough, or the dumpling, sorry, from the oil that is cooked, that is fried, then I can pass it over to this container for the excess oil to drain off. So guys, what I normally do to test the oil if it's hot, I take a small piece of the dough and then I would transfer it to the oil and see how that goes. So right there you can see that the oil is ready. So at this point guys, I'm just gonna take small pieces of the dough and just roll between my palms just to get the shape of the festival, and you will see, just pay attention guys. And here it is guys, the shape of what a festival should look like. And at this point, let the frying begins. Stay tuned guys and enjoy. Guys, you gotta make sure and be very careful that your flame is not on high, or else your festivals will burn in a second. So it's best to keep your flame on medium. So guys, the thing with festival is that they're easily burnt. So while you're putting in the pot, you have to be paying attention how fast it's getting brown. So what I had to do is turn some of these festival off camera, and as you can see, I'm doing the remaining right now. Pay attention guys, and I hope you're enjoying so far. If you are, just hit the like button or drop a comment. Guys, I appreciate it all. So guys, now it is time for me to remove some of these festivals from the pot, and I will be filling the areas with new ones. So guys, just stay tuned and enjoy. Also guys, I will be making some of the festivals off camera, but it's just the same process, nothing different guys. Only difference may be a little bit stylish, that's all. So guys, now that you see the way I went about making the festivals, at this point I will stop filming and you'll see me at presentation next. And guys, here we have it, coconut festivals, so beautifully done. Look at the texture guys, these dumplings are so delicious. I just wish you all could taste, but I hope that you can eat with your eyes for now. So guys, how do you like your festival eating? On the side I have a container with sardines that has been prepared with bell peppers, tomato, hot Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, and salt. Guys, this is incredibly delicious. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Tell a friend about my channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn the post notification bell on so you'll be in tune to my next upcoming videos. Guys, just enjoy this video. I did it just for you. Thank you so much for watching. Once again guys, I so appreciate you. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.